Good evening, sir, and good evening to all. My name is Tanushri Malviya, and today I would like to share my opinions on the topic of problem of unemployment in India. So, I would like to share what is the meaning of unemployment. Unemployment is the problem in which a person is not able to earn money by doing job and doing services. And in other words, I can say that unemployment is the problem that a person is willing to do work but not able to find a job or services. So now I'm going to share factors which is the main problem of unemployment. So the first point is that there is a rapid growth of population in our world and also in our India. And as you all know that the India is the number one country in the world in the matter of population. Like we can say that India is the most populated country in the world as of now, and India beated China. So if there is no any jobs and services, so how will people survive? And if the population is increasing day by day, so how will people survive? So this is the main reason. And the second thing is that there is a dominance of agriculture. So as you all know that India is the agriculture based country. So here agriculture is the first thing by which people earn money, and in agriculture and by doing farming people earn money more than doing a job. So in this case there are no jobs and people are unemployed because so many people are doing farming. And the third thing is that there is a mental and physical disabilities because of these people are unemployed, because some people are unfortunately not physically fit, so they are not able to doing job, and some are not mentally stable. So because of this problem a person is unemployed. And another thing is that there are people who have talent, but because of the caste system and racism they are not going to get a job, because in India there is a caste system. So and we can also say that a reservation system, because of this a actually deserving person is not getting job because of this caste system. And I can also explain in the another way, like nowadays there is a trend of doing engineering, medical fields and IAS. So because of this famous fields, so many people are not going to do another things. They are stuck in the thing that I want to do this only. So because of this their mind is they have a narrow mindset, and they are not going to enhance their mindset. And I want to share one previous incident. Like in COVID time so many people got unemployed, and because of that time people lost their job. So this is an opportunity for people that they have started their own business, and they started earning money. And now I would like to share some effects, that what are the effects which are by unemployment which are facing by people are facing. That first thing is that there is a poverty. In poverty, when a person is unemployed, so their family is facing a state of poverty. And some people started harassed and start violence in their own house. That a wife short example is that a wife is earning money for surviving. So her boozer husband and drunken state husband, he beats her wife and harass and start physical abuse and by giving abuses like this. This condition in any family. And the another thing is that by this a person is not mentally stable. They got mental because of this unemployment. And like this some people start doing addiction of alcohol, drugs and another bad things. And people start snatch money and commit so many crimes because of unemployment. So thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to share my opinions on the topic of unemployment. Thank you so much.